Good morning, Gold and Silver Standard community. My name is Chris Tipper and welcome to Charts, where I analyse the crypto markets and provide actionable buy and sell signals 5 days a week. I then go a step further and dollar cost average into my portfolio, buying some of my favourite chart of the day in real time so you can follow along. You get to see my entire process and actual performance. It doesn't get any more transparent than that. The current portfolio is on the screen right now, and at the end of the video I will make today's adjustments, so keep watching to see what they are. If you've been watching the previous videos, you will notice today that I have made a few tweaks to both the indicators used to make the buy and sell signals clearer and easier to understand, and the portfolio strategy to align it with a more traditional buy and hold dollar cost averaging approach. This is based on feedback from several viewers about what they wanted to see, and I'm always happy to make improvements, especially while we are still in the early stages of developing this daily video format. So hopefully this gets the mix a little bit closer to what you are looking for. Let's jump straight in with Bitcoin. The all-in-one is in a downtrend. The momentum wave is in a downtrend. And the money flow is in an uptrend. So overall that leaves us with 2 downtrends, 1 uptrend, so a signal for today. Moving to Ethereum. Down, down, up, sell signal. Kronos. Down, down, up, sell signal. Binancecoin, slight down, up signal, up signal. So overall we have a buy signal. Have a look at XRP. Down, fresh down today, and a very slight, just right on the line, a very slight up we'll call it, but either way it will be a sell signal. Dogecoin, downtrend, downtrend, uptrend, gives us a sell signal. Solana, downtrend on the all-in-one, downtrend on the momentum wave, uptrend on the money flow, sell signal. And finally, Chiliz, which is doing very well since we purchased that. Up signal on the all-in-one, up trend on the momentum wave, which is just forming here, and uptrend on the money flow. So a buy signal remains in place for Chiliz. Now I've completed the analysis, it's time to take action. Firstly, I select a crypto and sell some to free up capital for today's purchase, which will not be necessary just yet until I'm fully invested. I then select my favourite chart for the day to buy and dollar cost average 1% of the current balance into the live portfolio. The chart I'm choosing today is Binancecoin, so I'll bring that up now. Okay, let's have a little bit of a look. So why I'm choosing this, we have a weakening sell trend or downtrend showing up here in the all-in-one. As you can see, it's really moved well off 100% and is getting very flat. We've got that new buy where most of the others charts that we looked at today are still just at the end of a sell signal on the momentum wave, and money is still flowing into the market here, so that all looks good. But what I'm particularly interested in with this is that it has really maintained quite a bit of strength during the general weakness that we've seen across other pairs in the market over the last week or so. So let's just have a look with our price tool to see sort of some key numbers. First of all, I like to look at sort of the downside potential. It's about a 35%, down to 40% depending on where you're looking, downside that we see from this current sort of visual display, what we can see on the screen. So that's not overly different to what we would expect on most cryptos if it were to test those lows. To the upside, these highs that we're seeing up here over 50%. So I think it's a fairly good risk reward where we can see 50% upside potential relative to about a 35% downside potential. So I don't mind the look of that. If you look at this very recent low, it's only a few percent lower than where we're entering now, and still the upside's a little bit higher than that. So every way you sort of look at this, it appears that the upside potential at least matches the downside potential. So the risk reward seems fairly straightforward, and we don't mind diversifying into different tokens at this early stage of building the portfolio, because the more variety and diversification we have, the more of a base it provides us as the portfolio builds. So I think that's a good decision for today, and I'd be happy to purchase some Binancecoin. 1% of my current balance is approximately $100, so that's how much BNB I'll buy right now. This model portfolio started with $10,000 balance on the 17th of August, and you can go back through the videos to see every trade made since then that got the portfolio to where it is today. I recommend buying your crypto from Ainslie Wealth. For a no-fuss, secure and personalised service, it's the perfect way to get involved if you're new to crypto investing and would like some help from a real person, or if you're looking for higher value purchases and sales and want to deal with a trusted broker directly. You can contact Ainslie Wealth for more information in Brisbane, Melbourne, or online at ainsliewealth.com.au. I'll be back the same time tomorrow to check in on how the portfolio is going and for the next update. Thanks for watching.